If you're looking to make thousands of dollars a month, or even more, then stay tuned to this video until the end. I will guide you step by step on how to use AI to create an unlimited income stream without having to sell products or do anything complicated. Before diving into the details, I want to share with you a secret that can help you achieve a monthly income of $5,000. Check the description below the video for more information. Now let's get started with today's method. First, visit the Pinterest Trends website, where you can see the most searched topics in the last 30 days. In this example, I will choose the topic of nail art. Next, I'll use an AI tool to create unique nail art images. The tool I chose is Indeogram AI. You just need to visit Indeogram AI and sign up for a free account. After registering, enter the following prompt in the text box. A close-up photo of a woman's hand with vibrant summer-themed nails. The nails are painted in orange, yellow, and blue with small white polka dots and palm trees. The background is a peaceful ocean scene with blue water, white sand, and green palm trees. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, you will have stunning images of vibrant summer nails. The next step is to visit the Adsterra website to create a free account and start your journey to making money. Adsterra is a global advertising platform where publishers and advertisers meet through innovative advertising solutions. With various ad formats like display, pop-under, native, and video, Adsterra helps you maximize your income from your website or app. This site offers powerful campaign management tools and customization options to meet all your marketing needs. To get started, click the Sign Up button in the upper right corner of the screen and choose Start as a Publisher. Fill in the required information, such as your full name, email address, password, and payment method to complete the account creation process. After registering, I'll guide you on how to leverage Adsterra to make money effectively. To do this efficiently, you'll need to connect your blog to Adsterra to place ads and start earning from your traffic. If you don't have your own blog yet, don't worry, I'll guide you on how to create a free and professional blog. Now, visit blogger.com, a free website creation platform provided by Google. Just sign up with your Gmail account and you'll be ready to build your blog. Next, click Create New Blog and enter a title for your blog. For example, I'll title it Summer Nail Tips. Then, set up your website address and you have a free website of your own. As you can see, your website currently has no content. Now, let's create an attractive layout for your blog. Visit guyabitemplates.com to download a free blog template. Here, you'll find plenty of free templates to choose from. Pick a suitable template and download it to your computer. After downloading, extract the folder and you'll see an HTML file. Open this file with Notepad and copy all the content. Return to your blog's admin area, select Theme, and then click Edit HTML. Press Ctrl+A to select all the existing code and delete it. Then, paste the code you just copied from Notepad and click Save. Finally, review your blog to see the new layout applied. Now your blog has a completely new look. Next, we need to fine-tune some elements of your blog, starting with editing the menu bar. Return to your blog's admin area, select Layout, and then click on Main Menu. Here, you can customize the menu as you wish. For example, adding items like Home, Summer Nail Tips, Blog, and removing unnecessary sections. After you're done, don't forget to click Save and check your blog again. Your blog is almost complete. You can also customize it further by changing the logo, adding links to social media accounts, and many other options to make your blog more professional. Now, let's create some posts for your blog. To do this, we'll use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to suggest 10 topics on summer nail care, then have it write a complete blog post for you. Now, go back to your blog's admin area. Select New Post to create a new post. Then, simply copy the post we received from ChatGPT and paste it into your blog. First, copy the title and paste it into the post title section. Then continue copying the entire content and paste it into the content section. To make the post more lively, upload some illustrative images. Once you're done, just hit Publish to post it. By doing this, your blog will quickly fill up with attractive and interesting content. Now, we'll connect your blog to Adsterra to set up ads and start your money-making journey. Log into your Adsterra account and from the left-hand menu, select Websites. Click Add New Website and enter your blog's address in the required field. Next, choose a suitable category and select an ad banner to place on your blog. For example, you can choose a 728x90 banner and click Add. You will need to wait a few minutes for Adsterra to review and approve your website. When the status changes to active, it means your website has been successfully approved. Next, I'll guide you on how to place the ad banner on your blog. Click Get Code, copy the code, and return to your blog's admin area. Select Layout, find the section where you want to place the 728x90 banner, and click Edit. Paste the code into the HTML section and click Save. After completing, review your blog and you'll see the ad banner displayed. Repeat this process to add other ad banners to optimize your revenue from your blog. So we've completed setting up ads for your blog and started making money with Adsterra. If you're looking for a top method to generate passive income of up to $5,000 per month, check the link in the description below. Next, let's focus on driving traffic to your blog. Go back to Pinterest and create your first pins by dragging and dropping the nail art images generated by our amazing AI tool. Remember to add a catchy title and description and include a link to your blog. The more users click on your pins, the more they will be directed to your blog posts. The higher the traffic, the more chances you have to earn money from Adsterra ads. And that's all for today's video. I hope you find the video helpful and have many exciting experiences. Thank you for watching.